Gosh, I love this. It really does speak to the full potential that online learning can provide. And you're able to create these career readiness programs not despite the online curriculum, but in service of the online curriculum. The online curriculum is supporting these things. It's getting the students out into the world where they're actually doing these career activities. Very exciting. For the other online schools out there, JD, that are hearing what you're saying and are like, wow, we want to have more career education options in our virtual charter, what advice would you give them?
I would say start off with certifications. I think it was the easiest path to go to just get the ball rolling. So we started with Microsoft Office certifications for students to become specialists. And, I thought about that when I was applying for jobs when I was a teenager, and I wrote Microsoft Office proficient. That's a good vocab word. We will use that. That'll draw some eyes. But now, now kids can actually put that on there. I am a Microsoft Office specialist. Here's my digital badge. Here's my verified. I took the test. I can work Word up and down, Excel. I've got skills that some of your seasoned veterans don't have in the workforce. And creating that digital profile and resume.